Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to delete a node based on the information provided to the user. Information in the sense, let me call this information as a key. Assume that this key is stored in one of the node in the given linked list and I am supposed to perform the deletion operation on that particular node. Let me take an example. Assume that this is my given linked list and the key provided, assume that the key provided is 10. In the sense, the information is stored in the first node itself. If the information is stored in the first node itself, then what we are supposed to do? Just change the reference of start from first node to second node. What I will do, I will call this particular node as a temp, call this particular node as temp and change the reference of start from first node to the second node. And then okay, you have to deallocate the memory for this particular node. So first case, I will assume that if key is present in first node, if key is present in first node, what we are supposed to do? Just make temp as first node and change start. This is the first step that we are supposed to do, and make change start to second node. Change start to second node and free or delete temp. This is what we are supposed to do if my information is stored in the first node itself. Now I'll take the second case, case 2, where my key is not there in the first node. Let me assume that this was my star, 10 is there, and this was 20. Let me have one more node. Like this. Let me assume that there are 5 nodes. Where information is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my reference node is start, which contains the address of the first node, and my key in this case, let me assume it as 4, wherein it is present in the fourth node. Now what we are supposed to do, in case if I want to delete a node wherein information is stored in the fourth node, I know the address of my first node, so to delete this particular node, I should get the reference, somehow I should traverse from first node till last node. So first step is not last node, to the node to be deleted. Traverse from first node to the node to be deleted. So what I will do, I will assume that okay, this was my current. I will make sure that I will traverse my current from the beginning, from the starting node to the node to be deleted till here. Now while traversing, I will keep one more reference as previous. When I traverse current to the next node, I will bring my previous to the node behind the current. So this will be my previous. Now once I traverse the node to be deleted, what you can do is okay, you can make a previous of address pointing to this previous of address. This was the node to be deleted. This previous of address should be pointing to this node. This node is nothing but current of address. Previous of address pointing to current of address. And what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to free current. So this is what we are supposed to do. Now assume that in this case, if I am searching for a key, if I am searching for the information 6, as you know, as you see, none of these nodes is holding 6. In that particular case, what happens when I am searching for 6, my current keeps traversing, and after traversing the last node, it will be pointing to null. So while searching for an information which is not there in the linked list, it implies that the current is pointing to null. So with this information, what we can do, we can come up with a function. Let me call the function as delete key. Function name as a delete key. Argument to the function is the reference of my list. Node start. And second argument is the information that is being provided to me. That is nothing but my key. Coming to the arguments, node, what variables I require? Node, I think I require previous, I require temp, I require current. I will not check, whether list is empty or not. If you want, you can add that particular statement. If list is not there, you can't perform the deletion operation. Let me write with the first case, wherein key is there in the first node itself. So, if the provided information key is there in start of data, what we are supposed to do, make the first node as temp, change the reference of start from first node to the second node, start is equal to start of address, just have a printf node deleted is %d. Okay, this is nothing but the temp of data. Free of temp. Please note that whenever we are performing the deletion operation, we should deallocate the memory. So free of temp, return start. This was my first part. This is my case 1. If the information of the key provided is there in the first node itself. Now going to case 2. Case 2, what we are supposed to do? We need to traverse from the first node to the node to be deleted until we get the node to be deleted. So current we will have previous is equal to null, current is equal to start, while current not equal to null. This was first condition, and the second condition, key not equal to current of data. Key not equal to current of data. Just make previous to hold current and current to hold the address of the next node. Current is equal to current of address. Keep changing your current. I told earlier that if the key provided is not there in the linked list, then your current will be pointing to null. Please write the condition. If current is equal to null, what is this? I'll just put an error message. Printf key not found. And come out of the function. Return start. If this condition is false, then I know that the node to be deleted will be current, and the node behind that current is the previous. Only one thing that I have to make is the previous of address is pointing to current of address. That's the only change that I am supposed to make. Printf node deleted is %d, which is nothing but current of info. And finally free current. Free of current, return the starting address. Hope this is clear. this is about how to perform a deletion operation in a single linked list based on the key supplied to us or based on the information stored in one of the node. Thank you.